We are here to introduce the Sisters of St. Benedict's Memorial Courtyard. You know, these dear sisters of St. Benedict, and many of those that came before them, arrived here in the Ogden Valley in 1946. They came with determination, spirit, courage, commitment, as they forged pathways in healthcare in our community, as well as many other areas. Whenever they saw a need, they stepped up to the plate. They applied their time, talent, and skill. These incredible women have given so much for so many years, unwavering and unconditional love to all those they came in contact with. Their considerable medical and managerial skills, combined with unlimited compassion, helped all who came in touch with them and helped the healing process.
More than 150 sisters have worked in the hospitals over the years. Many held top management positions, using their gentle, firm ways to ensure the best health care possible was granted to our patients. The sisters established and operated the St. Benedict's Hospital School of Nursing to educate and train new generations of healthcare workers, graduating more than 300 nurses, many of whom stayed within our community working to save and enrich lives. The tradition of caring and healing instilled in the hearts of those who work in our hospital by the Sisters of St. Benedict's will never fade. This monument stands as a reminder to the healthcare professionals working in the buildings behind it that we walk on the same ground as those who established our hospital for caring for the sick as if they were Christ in person. As I spoke with some older physicians in this community and some of our current physicians, there is nothing contrary or ill at all that has ever been said about the sisters, but only the utmost of respect. I thank you for leaving us such a heritage and a tradition. And I was so grateful to hear today that you continue to pray for us. I was refreshed often in the halls when a sister would grab me and say, "We're praying for you today."
This hospital and this community have benefited greatly from the direct involvement of you, the Sisters of St. Benedict. These sisters and their pioneer predecessors have donated time, money, expertise, and support to countless individuals and organizations. But perhaps the greater value lies in their compassion and their sincere concern for the temporal and spiritual welfare of individuals. This memorial courtyard will stand as a monument to the legacy of the Sisters of St. Benedict. May this courtyard drive us and inspire us to continue the caring legacy of these sisters.
Oh my God.
Sisters, the name and years of service of each sister who has served in this community is engraved on this stone to forever be a representation of the legacy of the Sisters of St. Benedict. Let me share with you the engraving that memorializes the historical contribution of these amazing sisters. It says, after journeying from St. Joseph, Minnesota in 1944, the Catholic Sisters of the Order of St. Benedict settled in Ogden, Utah. While sharing the Benedictine holistic philosophy of healing, the sisters would quietly embrace the community with their gentle caring and tender sharing of sorrows. Their mission of reaching out to others was soon realized when the sisters opened St. Benedict's Hospital in 1946. The age-old rule of St. Benedict, above all things, care must be taken of the sick as if they were Christ in person, guided their daily work. Over time, their philosophy became interwoven within the fabric of this hospital as the sisters helped care for generations of patients and their loved ones. Those decades of meeting people's needs and enriching their lives will forever stand as the sisters' legacy to Ogden Regional Medical Center and our community. This courtyard, chiseled in stone, will ensure the spirit and mission of the Sisters of St. Benedict will ever remain alive for generations to come. Sisters, we thank you, and we want you to know, though you physically may be somewhere else, a piece of you will be here forever.
I'm almost out of words. This is something far beyond anything that any of us ever expected. And yet I have to think that this isn't just sisters that are here now, the 5 of us, but those 150 sisters that have been coming and have been here since 1946. We are standing on the shoulders of some great women, and we are so grateful for that. And I'm just confident that you are going to continue that legacy that was set by all of those sisters. I carry you in my heart, all of you in this hospital. We will be praying for all of you and continue to pray for you. God bless you.